Good evening, everybody. It is it is Tuesday, November the 8th. This is a battery-powered motor kit. This was something that I picked up from work today. This was actually one of the donations that came in, and I was looking up the donations to to get to get sent out to be sold, and I came across this thing. Just got my attention. It's marked for $3, so I guess I gave about $1 for it. I asked the people working in the store if I could have it, and they told me absolutely. So I gave about $1 for this. And as you can see, from what you can see of the plastic wrapping, this isn't anything too modern. I don't know how old this is. I've looked all over for a date. Maybe I'll find that out once I get the thing open. Kids Text Science. I've never seen one of these before. But this was something that really caught my attention because this is something very technical, and you can see there that it has the winding for the motor, and it's also battery operated, and all of the original parts are in here. And there is the SKU number 97262. Learn the basics of electricity in action. And it includes a step-by-step illustrated instruction booklet. There's the manual on there. So this is going to be a real electrical motor that I'm building, and from what you can see of it, that is the actual motor of the project that I will be making. Build a working motor yourself, by yourself. Learn how a DC electric motor works. Easy to assemble by following a step-by-step instructions. No soldering required. Includes a key switch and electrically powered three-pole motor. And there it is. And these are the parts to it. So this is going to be a big project. Adult supervision recommended. And it was made in China. And it takes 2 AA batteries. I'm going to do some research on this. I'm going to find out exactly how old it is, if they're still being made, and this will be the next project that I'll be getting on my channel. Well, there you go, everybody. This is a quick video of my next project, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.